Hey everybody, today I'm showing you 3 cool chaotic toys that don't require power source. Now I have a bunch that have simple motors in them that you can power with an adapter, create the illusion of perpetual motion. With these 3, you technically just need magnets, and in that case with hand movement you can pull it off, but these interact with each other. As you can see, this is the Magnetron from R.O.M.P manufacturing. This is a chaotic fidget toy. This is a chaotic fidget toy. The way it works is you just have to mix all kinds of movements. Now you can mount this to some sort of surface, try to spin it like that. I've also seen larger version of this on Etsy that they have their own stand, and they're a little bit expensive. I think a couple $100 based on last time I heard from the maker of that. And it is a desktop toy. That one is a little bit bigger, but it doesn't require you to use your hand. You just give it a spin, it keeps going for a while. The R.O.M.P is a random oscillating magnetic pendulum. This is a classic science toy. I've covered various versions of this, including one that is powered and that keeps going for longer because it doesn't require a push. It just comes to life and keeps going as long as it has battery. You just arrange these magnets how you like. It tracks with that. Just screw this in, tighten it, and you're set. Now, these are magnets, and that one is also a magnet. This one. Play around and see what happens. You can play with all kinds of different patterns. I can cover this with all these, sort of create this cool effect. The way this works is just do it like that. This is just a chaotic magnetic toy. They react to each other. So if I hold this and do it like that, as soon as they slow down and they get to interact with each other, the patterns change, the movement changes. You can do it like that. This is a cool widget toy. That's about it. These are 3 cool chaotic toys, don't require power. 2 of them are magnetic. This one is operated by hand. For more information, please go to Gadgetify.com, also youtube.com/Gadgetify. I've covered a lot of cool toys like this in the past, also a bunch of shorts. I also have my cats reacting to them, so check them out. Thanks for watching.